Since I'm walking, I might as well give you some tips. This is for passing the real estate exam, the state test. Number one mistake students make: you don't apply for the approval on time. You need to apply for that approval the minute you start class. Some students wait to the end to apply. That's a huge mistake because now you're idle. Mistake number two: you pass the class and you put the book down. You just spent either a month or a week, week and a half learning a new language. You're going to forget it this quick. Believe me, I know. What should you be studying? Well, pre-sales, you should be studying the 1,000 questions in the back of the book. And by the way, it's 100 questions per day prior to taking the test. Brokers, the back of the chapters, know them all. Know them all. Know chapter 13, which is your closing disclosure, and definitely know your 7 math questions. If math is not your thing, who cares? On the broker side is 15. On the agent side is 10. Just guess, man. Just guess. Remember, passing is 75. And that's all you need. Here's a tip. When you answer your questions during the test, don't change them. Number one mistake. Also, you have 3.5 hours. That's plenty of time. But don't change your answers. And here's something else. If you fail, join the club. Everyone fails. Everyone fails. Here's another tip. Do not pay to look at your test questions. In other words, you failed, and now you want to go back to see the ones you missed. Well, they're not going to let you take any notes. They're not going to let you take pictures. You're only going to see the ones you missed. And guess what? You got to pay for a full test. And what is Pearson VUE's policy? You're not coming back for 3 weeks. Why do you want to do that to yourself? If you pay for a test, take the test. And I'll tell you something else. Get used to failing. Because this business, it's all about failing. You will fail over and over again. But when you succeed, it's just a beautiful thing. Business is loaded with no's and very few yeses. But those yeses are very sweet. Tip of the day.